Here we come to the vintage Westinghouse escalators at Dillard's at Townies Mall in Mesquite, Texas. I don't think I've been on a vintage Westinghouse. Oh, look at that sign. It's upside down. All right, let's step on. Sorry for stepping on quickly because, for one, I don't want to block the line, and second of all, there is music playing, so I don't want to get caught. I mean, not get caught, but just avoid that before I get copyrighted. There's your Westinghouse sign. All right, we're gonna go down to as we go down to the escalator, the down escalator. See, I have the same exact logo as you see on the actual escalator nameplate. So, anyways, as we head towards the down escalator, you're gonna see the same exact logo that I have here. Just like that. All right, sit down. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my video. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my video as soon as I get off this thing. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And that was the old vintage escalator at Dillard. So thanks for watching, and that'll be it.